channel. Today I have my college reveal. If you guys didn't know, I recently just graduated high school and I will be attending college in the fall. I'm excited to finally reveal it to you guys. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Marissa. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified when I post more videos like this and everything like that. So please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and let's get right into this video. I applied to about 21, I believe it was 21, 22 colleges in the New York, New Jersey, and like Connecticut area. Majority of my schools that I applied to were in New York, within like the boroughs or upstate, a few in New Jersey, and a few in Connecticut as well. I do live in 5 boroughs of New York City within there, so really like central to the city. That's why I applied to many there as well. To name a few, I got into Pace University, Binghamton, Albany College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, Stony Brook, Adelphi University, Malloy College, St. John's University, Riley Dickinson, Ramapo College, Sacred Heart University. I'm trying to like come up with as many as possible right now. UConn. Those are like the main, and then like within New York City also Hunter College, City Tech, College of Staten Island. So it's like those are like the majority, like the basis of what colleges I applied to personally. I'm proud to announce I'll be attending St. John's University in the fall in the pharmacy program. So it's 6 years. At the end of it, I'll be a doctor of pharmacy, or a PharmD, which is a pharmacist, and I'm so excited. The program is supposed to be amazing and I don't have to take the PCAT. If you want more information about this program and like other programs I did apply to, definitely like comment down below and I'll do a whole video on like applying to pharmacy programs, applying to like nursing programs, because I did apply to both pharmacy and nursing programs because I was in between the two of them. I decided to go pharmacy in the end. Choosing between which schools, I was looking at the programs themselves, like what I got out of it. Did I have to take the PCAT? Did I have to like take a test to get into my professional years or anything like that? St. John's was one of the only schools besides Albany College of Pharmacy that you didn't have to take the PCAT for. I was also in between UConn, Albany College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, St. John's, and LIU Brooklyn. That's another one I didn't mention. LIU Brooklyn and LIU Post were also two other schools that I did apply to and I was looking at as well. Those I did have to take the PCAT for as well before I get into my professional years. In terms of me getting into like all those schools, a little bit about myself. My GPA was a 96 overall in high school, so that was on the 4.0 scale. It was a 4.0. I did take a lot of college credits while I was in high school as well. My student activities, like resume and everything, was like packed. I worked a job while I was in school, like president of the talent club. I was like a retreat leader. I was really involved in school and like school spirit basically at my high school, so that definitely helps if you have a good resume. So it benefit me. I had a pretty strong college essay as well, so that helped me. That all came within the application process. Again, I think now coming in the fall, I'm gonna do a whole video on the application process, what I did, how I applied, and all that stuff, so that new seniors that are coming in that are doing the application process can help them along. And what I did, my scholarship amount was pretty insane overall from different colleges and universities. My scholarship amount reached around $400,000 in scholarship money, so that was pretty high, and that was also a difficult decision for me, choosing between schools based on scholarship money. But again, St. John's University did give me pretty much like one of the largest amounts that I received. So I'm so excited. As that I'm also going to be staying home, I'll be commuting I don't know if that's going to change in the future. I was talking to a few girls that are attending St. John's with me and possibly thinking about doing like an apartment or off-campus housing like sophomore year or junior year, one of those years. So I have that kind of experience. St. John's is not that far away from my house, about maybe like a 15-20 minute drive, so it's not too bad, and the campus is beautiful, so I am so excited. If you guys have any like other questions for me regarding college and everything like that, definitely reach out to me. You could DM me on Instagram, comment down below, like anything. I'm here to talk if you guys have any troubles with college applications or anything, because let me tell you, I became an expert on it. I was actually helping my friends with college applications, and I know how stressful it was for me and for everybody else as well. So definitely reach out if you're a junior going to senior year or whatever year you are. If you're curious about applying to colleges and financially, that's another big deal, another big thing. Loans and grants, it's a big like mess if you don't like ask for help or anything. So like I said, reach out to me, reach out to your counselors if you're like applying to college. Yeah, I feel like I'm rambling, but it's like trying to throw some helpful tips as well. Yeah, like I'm so excited to start college, to get that experience. I'm also planning on joining a sorority, so you guys will definitely be hearing from that if I decide to end up going through with it and everything. But yeah, so I'll definitely be doing more future videos on college life once I'm there and everything like that. Hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Again, don't be scared to reach out. I'm here. You could talk to me anytime. Other videos that you want me to do on college life, on getting accepted applications, anything, let me know. I will definitely do it for you guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed this video and you'll find this helpful also for anybody who is attending college in the near future and everything like that. So thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys.